On Barff Road in Salford M6, to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a spacious 3-bedroom terraced property located within walking distance of Salford Royal Hospital, with easy access to transport links throughout Manchester as well. As we head in, we're going to a porch which leads to a welcoming entrance hallway, and on your right, it's generously sized bay-fronted lounge, then through to the dining room. Then a nice modern fitted kitchen towards the rear of the property, which provides access out to the rear to a low maintenance courtyard garden as well. So the property is within easy access of amenities. It's within walking distance of Buile Hill Park as well. Would make a great first time home or investment. As we head upstairs from the landing towards the rear of the property, we have the 3rd bedroom, which as you can see is a good size. It's a double. Then we have a modern 3-piece shower room. Through to the 2nd bedroom, another generous size. And typical for the style of property, towards the front, we have the main bedroom, which is again really large size as well. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.